Okay guys, that's the grass cut. Only took me 3 days. That's the first cut of the year. Now I'm in the market for a new lawnmower because that thing's okay. The reason I got that was because with my back and my hips, the problems I have, I struggle pushing a petrol lawnmower. So I thought we'll get that, give it a try. Now I give it all last year and a bit of the year before. It's not working out for me, so I'm in the market for I don't know, I think I'm going to go and look for a robot lawnmower because the neighbour across the road has one and I'm really jealous and impressed with it. So I think I'll start doing some research on a robot lawnmower, then I don't ever have to do this ever again, and then I'll concentrate on tidying it all up because I don't do myself any favours. I don't like gardening, I hate gardening, so consequently I don't really look after it, but it needs done. So I think I'll make some efforts in the next couple of months to kind of tidy this place up a little bit, make it look nice, so I can sit out there and look at the fruits of my automatic lawnmower. Yeah, so anyway, it's lunchtime and I'm hungry, so I'm going to go in and have a pot noodle. Hi guys, it's time to go and pick Chelle up. She contacted me and asked me to pick her up an hour late, so she's obviously got some work on. Which is alright because this hour I'll go to a Friday afternoon off, whenever that's due next. I think it's beginning of next month. So it's not wasted time. She works a little bit extra and gets it back later. Oh, better get on and go and pick her up because she'll be desperate to get home.
Hey, I'm already one of the few who gets you. Hey, I can already tell that you do get me too, and maybe we're the only ones. Maybe we're the only ones. Hey, you know I can make you so happy gladly. Hey, I know you can see through my bad moods, sad too, and maybe we're the only ones. Maybe we're the only ones. Hey, there are so many things that we've yet to get to, so let's move on and do some traveling. We're gambling that maybe we're the only ones. Maybe we're the only ones. Hey, you know we'll be together whatever the weather. So when the world is frozen, let's stay together, 'cause maybe.
Okay guys, there we go. Got korma and mango chutney glazed chicken with green beans, couscous and tomato salsa, which I actually dropped on the floor, so we're going to use some short bought salsa that we had.